Hi, in front of me is OPPO A54 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this OPPO device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll down, click on Fingerprint, Face and Password, tap on Set Privacy Password and click on Use a different password type. Then pick one of the login methods by clicking at the chosen one, for example pattern. Now I have to draw my pattern, repeat it, and answer this security question by typing the answer over here. But if you don't want to answer this one, you can always tap on it, pick one of those, or click on the question and tap on Custom Question over here. Now you are able to create your own and save it by tapping at the top right corner of this pop-up. Remember to answer it, and when you're done, click at the top right corner and choose App Lock. Then click on the switcher next to apps that you want to lock. I will go with Chrome, Calendar, Assistant and maybe Facebook. So now when I go back and try to access one of those apps like Facebook, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!